that's put Singapore's Air Force in the Premier League. Lauren Ong with more.
They're supersonic, move in stealth, and fully loaded. These F-35As are among the most advanced fighter jets in the world and could soon join a fleet of others to defend Singapore's skies.
Only need a short distance to take off and can land vertically without the need for a runway. It's one of the reasons Singapore specifically ordered this variant. It can also jam enemy radar, disrupt attacks, and coordinate operations with fourth-generation aircraft. Now, when the F-35s we often see performing aerial maneuvers at the National Day Parade.